Buckle up, drop-off just got smarter. This is the Carpool Dad podcast, where coffee is strong and opinions are stronger. Let's roll.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Carpool Dad podcast. I'm your host, Raz, and we're in the car, coffee in one hand, steering wheel in the other. And today, I need to talk about something that happened this weekend. Because I learned something about my family. And the thing is, we're way too competitive for bowling. So the plan sounded innocent, right? Let's go bowling with the kids and the in-laws. Family night. Fun. Awesome. Great. Wrong. Because what actually happened was the family Olympics with rented shoes. First off, bowling shoes? Why do they always feel like you're borrowing shoes from 1940s jazz musicians? They got that red and white design like you're about to step onto stage and play the saxophone. My daughter's over there like, Dad, these are slippery. Yeah, kid. That's the whole sport. Now listen, my wife's family, they don't play games. They compete. Scoreboard goes up, and suddenly everyone's acting we're on ESPN. My father-in-law lines up his shot like he's about to launch a NASA rocket. Silence. Kids whispering. He rolls the ball. 8 pins. And he turns around. He just won the championship. Now me? I'm feeling confident. Because in my head, I'm like, I'm the dad. I carry groceries in one trip. I build furniture without instructions. I could bowl. No problem. So I step up. I grab the ball. I do the little professional spin move and release the ball. And it goes straight into the gutter. Not even close. The ball didn't even curve. It abandoned the mission immediately. My daughter just goes, "Good try, Dad. Good try." I looked at her, I'm like, I'm not 5. Gosh. Now the kids had the bumpers up, which honestly feels like cheating. Because suddenly they're scoring like 120 points and talking trash. My kid hit 6 pins and celebrate like she just broke a world record. Meanwhile, I'm over here calculating geometry trying to hit a spare. It's crazy. But the real shock of the night? This hurts. My wife. Quiet the whole time, smiling. Then out of nowhere, strike, strike, strike. I'm like, hold up. Where did this come from? Turns out, she used to bowl all the time growing up. So now she's casually throwing strikes while I'm over here fighting for my life against basic physics. I just can't. I can't do it. And speaking of competition, the Formula One season started this Sunday, and watching the race after bowling night made me realize something. My family treats bowling exactly like Formula One. You got the serious competitors, the chaos drivers, and the people just hoping not to crash. At the bowling alley, I'm basically the rookie driver spinning out on lap 1. My father-in-law is the veteran racer, and my wife secretly qualifies on pole position. And the kids? They got the bumper lanes like training wheels on the Ferrari. But the best part of the night, which I'm calling human bowling, by the way, the trash talk. I felt like I was on an episode of the Squid Game on Netflix. My daughter's telling me, Dad, you're losing. My wife saying, "Focus, Raz, focus." My father-in-law just smiling like a villain in a sports movie. Meanwhile, I'm over here trying to figure it out why my balls keep drifting like it's avoiding responsibility. But honestly, that's the stuff we remember. Not the scores, just the chaos. Kids laughing, everyone yelling after strikes, eating those weird bowling alley fries that somehow taste amazing. Really, even the pizza. Those little moments where the family's just hanging out together, that's the real win. Even if you lose by 20 points or so, which I don't want to talk about it, which I did. But we're not talking about that. Let's move on. Family competition is a funny thing. You show up thinking it's just a game, then suddenly every emotionally invested in the bowling pins. But those nights, they become stories. The one your kids will say, "Remember when Dad kept throwing gutter balls?" And I'll say, the lane was crooked, okay? Like, do you guys remember? It was like a speed bumps everywhere. All right, everybody, that's today's episode of the Carpool Dad podcast. If you're listening on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, I appreciate you riding along with me on the commute. And if your family ever invites you bowling, do me a favor. Stretch first. Trust me. All right. I'll see you next ride. Drive safe.
Thanks for riding with the Carpool Dad podcast. Now park the car and find a snack before the kids do. See you next ride.